Welcome to tutorialsinhand.com. In this video tutorial, we are going to see what is the default value of double variable in Java. So when default value comes in picture, suppose we create a variable something like this double alpha, and what happens is we do not assign it any value, and if we don't assign it any value, then what happens is when you are trying to access it somewhere else, then compiler will assign it certain value from itself, and that value is referred to as default value. In general, what happens is if we create any variable, we assign it some value, something like this 1d. D represents double. So each variable is assigned some value. But suppose we forget to assign the value, or we do not assign it any value intentionally, the way we are doing it here. So we are not assigning any value to it intentionally, and we want to check what is the default value that will be assigned to this double variable alpha. So in that case, what is happening is this double value alpha is getting accessed in this print value method, and we are simply printing the value of that method. So in this case, since it is not assigned any value, it will be given a default value, and thus default value will get printed at this place. So let's call this print value method from tutorials in hand class. And by now you must be aware that in order to call the method, whether it is static or non-static of other class or same class, how you can do that, because we have already explained these things in the previous video tutorial. In this case, we need to create object by invoking constructor using new keyword, something like this, and thus object gets created, and we need to take this reference variable, object reference variable, to call the method print value of default demo int class, and this is how we have called it. Now if you press Ctrl, hover your mouse over it, click on it, it will take you to the place or the method that is getting called, and it shows that this method is getting called. And when it is getting called, anything that is written within the body of this particular method will get executed, and here we are simply printing the value of this unassigned variable alpha, right? So now if we execute it, we will see the default value of alpha or the double variable, and we can see the default value is 0.0, right? So this tells us or confirms us that the default value of any double variable, it will be 0.0, and you can be sure about it by creating another variable of double type, say ALP, and leave it unassigned. Try to print its value as done over here. Now we are printing the value of both alpha and ALP. So let's change the comment so that we may be able to differentiate which output is for which variable, right? Now let's execute this and see both the values are 0.0. Now we are sure that the value will be 0.0 for any double variable which is assigned the default value, right? So this value is alpha, this value is alpha value is getting printed at this place, and this one is coming from here, value ALP is, and then ALP value, that is the default value of double variable, is getting printed at this place. So the double variable. Hope you have enjoyed this video tutorial. Please like and subscribe our channel to help us motivate. Thank you.